Welcome to the Drishti IAS to the Point program. Today's topic is Government Securities Acquisition Program or GSAP 2.0. First of all, we will know why this is in news. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India or RBI announced that it will conduct an open market purchase of government securities worth Rs 25,000 crores under the GSEC Acquisition Program or GSAP 2.0. The purchase will be of securities that will mature between January 2026 and June 2035. The coupon rate varies from 6.64% to 8.28%. Now let's know about the GSEC Acquisition Program or GSAP 2.0. It is an unconditional and structured open market operation or OMO of a larger scale and size with a distinct character. The term unconditional refers to the RBI's commitment to buy government securities irrespective of the market sentiment. It aims to achieve a stable and orderly evolution of the yield curve along with the management of liquidity in the economy. By purchasing the government securities, the RBI infuses money into the economy, which in turn keeps the yield down and lowers the borrowing cost of the government. Now let's understand what are government securities. Government securities or GSECs are debt instruments issued by the government to borrow money. The two key categories are Treasury bills, short-term instruments that mature in 91 days, 182 days or 364 days, and dated securities, long-term instruments which mature anywhere between 5 years and 40 years. In India, the central government issues both treasury bills and bonds or dated securities, while the state governments issue only bonds or dated securities, which are called the State Development Loans or SDLs. Now let's have a look on the open market operations. Open market operations or OMOs are market operations conducted by RBI by way of sale or purchase of government securities from the market with an objective to adjust the rupee liquidity conditions in the market on a durable basis. If there is excess liquidity, RBI resorts to sale of securities and sucks out the rupee liquidity. Similarly, when the liquidity conditions are tight, RBI buys securities from the market, thereby releasing liquidity into the market. Now it's time for a practice question. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. A GSEC is a tradable instrument issued only by the central government. Statement 2. Foreign portfolio investments are allowed to participate in the GSECs market. Which of the above statements are correct? Options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, and D. neither 1 nor 2. Don't forget to answer this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Till then, Jai Hind. Dear viewers, to watch this topic in Hindi, please visit our Hindi YouTube channel.